morning everybody. My name is Vishal Kumar from 8th standard. Today 8th standard from Adarsh Vidyalaya. Today I am going to explain about the human eye and their function. First, the eye has a roughly spherical in shape. The eye is roughly spherical in shape. Next, the outer coat of eye is white in color. Next, the front part of eye is the transparent of front part of eye is called cornea. Behind the cornea, we find a dark muscular structure called iris. Iris, when bright light enters the iris becomes small. Whereas when dim light enters the eye, iris become large. In the iris, there is a small opening called pupil. The lens focused on light on back of our eyes is called retina. There are two sensory nerve cells in retina. One is cones and another one is rods. Cones are very sensitive to the bright light and cones sense the color. Rods are very sensitive to dim light. In retina we find no sensory cells at the spot. We cannot see possible. That spot we call as blind spot. Thank you.